Hey guys, it's Kenny again, coming back to you with another floor work tutorial. This time this will be a short floor work combination, choreography that you can follow along easily, okay? Anyone can do it. You can do it with heels, without heels. If you've never touched a pole before, this is also for you, okay? Enjoy. I'm gonna start with your legs in a pike position. Just means your legs are straight out and together. From there, you're going to reach forward as you can. So if you can't grab your toes, that's fine. Just reach for your shins or your calf, okay? So from there, you're just gonna stroke your legs up, slide your knees into your chest, and then open the door. Open the door. Slide your hands back down your shins, and then slide them back up. From there, you're going to circle your head. Nice, slow circle, one direction. And then you're ready, circle in the opposite direction. Then from there, you're gonna bring one hand behind, other hand behind, close the door. Slide your hands back behind you and lift your legs up to the sky. And then from there, you're just gonna gently pedal. As you pedal, maybe flexing the feet. So pedal, 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 pedal. As you get more comfortable, you're going to open the door again and pedaling. As you're pedaling, you're bending at the knee, flexing the foot, and breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And then if you have your heels on, you can clap together. Cross and stroke. See how I'm going with the theme here. And stroke. From there, we're gonna go for a fan kick. So you're gonna open your legs open to a V. Bend the opposite leg. Okay. So open, V, bend, and tap. From there, you're going to bend that top leg and push up onto your shins and roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. Okay, let's try it all together with music. Thank you guys for joining me on this floor work choreography tutorial. Enjoy and tag me if you try it. See you later.